Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick product review on these copper pans. Currently making egg whites. So to me it's very important for me to be able to shake the pan and to see the egg whites formed and moving. This is about 3 minutes into cooking. I did use a little bit of butter for flavor, salt and pepper, just using egg whites, and these pans definitely have been helping me out achieve the structure or texture of egg whites that my children prefer. I like them. And here is a scrambled eggs example. Very nice and non-stick. Makes preparing eggs a pleasant experience. Again, butter, salt, and pepper are used in this case as well. Look at how it slides. It's such a smooth surface. And here is one of the little pans used to boil water. And then I'm adding soaked rice. Currently making basmati rice. So one of the pots that come with the set. And here is another pot that is part of the set. This is the smaller one. I am currently using it to make the sauce for the mac and cheese. Cheetos mac and cheese, to be more specific. So, very smooth. Here is the pasta. We love them.